Discovering the Magic Within. An introduction to healing crystals. Crystals have captivated humanity for centuries. Their beauty and brilliance draw us in, but they hold a deeper magic within. These gifts from the earth possess a unique energy. This energy can interact with our own energy fields. This interaction can promote healing and well-being. Healing crystals are more than just pretty stones. They're powerful tools. Crystals can help us connect with the Earth's natural energies. This connection helps us to find balance and harmony. Each crystal carries a unique vibration. This vibration resonates with different aspects of our being. Some crystals are known for their calming energy. Others are believed to boost energy and creativity. Think of crystals as helpers on your wellness journey. They can support you emotionally, physically, and spiritually. They work in gentle harmony with your body's own energy system. A kaleidoscope of healing. Exploring different crystals and their properties. Stepping into the world of crystals is like entering a rainbow. Each crystal has its own personality and purpose. Let's explore a few popular crystals and their healing properties. Amethyst, with its calming purple hues, is known as a stone of peace. It's believed to ease anxiety and promote restful sleep. Rose quartz, a delicate pink crystal, is associated with love and compassion. It can help heal emotional wounds and cultivate self-acceptance. Clear quartz, like a blank canvas, is a powerful amplifier of energy. It can magnify the effects of other crystals and promote clarity. Tiger's eye, with its warm golden stripes, is a grounding stone. It can enhance courage, strength, and personal power. These are just a few examples of the many crystals available. Each one holds a unique potential to support your well-being. Crystals in action. Real-life stories of transformation. Many people have experienced the transformative power of crystals. Sarah, a busy mother of two, struggled with anxiety. She started carrying a piece of blue lace agate with her. She noticed a significant decrease in her stress levels. She felt calmer and more centered. John, an artist, felt creatively blocked. He started meditating with carnelian, a stone of creativity. He soon found his inspiration flowing freely. He felt more energized and enthusiastic about his work. These are just two examples of how crystals have helped people in their lives. Crystals can't solve all our problems, but they can be powerful allies on our journey to wellness. Section 4. Embracing the Crystal Path. Benefits and guidance for your journey. Using crystals is a personal journey. It's about finding the crystals that resonate with you and your intentions. There are many ways to incorporate crystals into your life. You can carry them with you, meditate with them, or place them in your home or workspace. Crystals can bring a sense of peace, balance, and support. They can help you connect with your inner wisdom and intuition. Remember to approach crystals with an open heart and mind. Allow yourself to experience their subtle yet powerful energies. Section 5. Crystals. A journey of self-discovery and healing. Crystals offer a path to deeper self-discovery and healing. By working with their energies, we can unlock our own potential for well-being. As you explore the world of crystals, remember to trust your intuition. Choose crystals that call to you and explore their energies with an open mind. The journey with crystals is a personal one. It's about connecting with the Earth's natural energies and finding harmony within ourselves. Embrace the power of crystals and discover the healing they can bring to your life.